Fire up your TV. Everything you loved watching online can now become a big screen experience. Introducing the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Get set for an all-new kind of HD TV entertainment. This ultra-compact, super-fast streaming device can play anything you want it to. Well, it's not a genie, but it can play movies, TV shows, songs and games through apps like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Hotstar, Gaana, Eros Now, and more, all on your HD TV. Setting up your Amazon Fire TV Stick is no rocket science. Just plug it into your HD TV, connect it to a power source and to your Wi-Fi for instant high-definition entertainment. All you need to do is log into your Amazon account and get started. On the Amazon Fire TV Stick, you can set the video quality for the content you stream. You can also set a monthly data consumption limit so that the device works well within your data plan. Say it, play it.
Young children.
Unless you're munching on something, finding your favorite shows or movies using the Fire TV voice remote is a cakewalk. Using the Fire TV voice remote, you can search for movies, shows, even by actors, director, or genre.
तुम्हारी सुनो.
Just say it, and the voice remote will immediately start streaming your show accurately. This device can tag along anywhere and everywhere. All you need is an HD TV, a Wi-Fi connection. Carry it anywhere and watch anytime. The kids will love it, thanks to the uninterrupted streaming of games and popular animated series like Animal Mechanicals, Chhota Bheem, and Sid the Science Kid. With its parental control feature, you can ensure that kids watch what's right for them. The experience gets even better with Amazon Prime. In addition to thousands of popular movies and TV shows, you also get access to Amazon original series anytime, any place. Switch to smarter entertainment today. Get the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Amazon Fire TV Stick. Fire up your TV.